Hi, Pure Water Power, and I'd like to introduce you to the 24-inch straight carbon fiber gooseneck. Now this is a 24-inch straight gooseneck that now is equipped with all Viper Waterfed Pole standard. Should you happen to break one, or if you have an older version of the Viper pole, this straight gooseneck will simply just slide into the very top section of your waterfed pole. So where your Euro threaded tip was put into the top of the pole, you can remove that, or where your gooseneck was, and you can insert this straight gooseneck straight into the top of the waterfed pole. Now this gives you the ability to extend the pole an extra 2 feet and give you that much more reach with the pole. And also it'll allow you to use this as a short pole. So you just simply slide this out of the waterfed pole. You can either leave the line disconnected or leave it connected rather, or disconnect it and use it as a short pole for cleaning lower level windows. Excellent add-on, available from any vendor of Pure Water Power.